Thoughts of camping chairs may conjure up images of $10 specials out front a big box retailer, but let's reorient ourselves to a slightly higher standard. We expect a proper car camping chair to not only fold up for easy transport, but to be comfortable, supportive, and made to last, even in rough and tumble weather. Below are our top picks for 2023, which run the gamut from budget-friendly models to comfort-first chairs and fun designs that rock and recline. Number 1, Coleman Portable Quad Chair with Cooler. This Coleman camping chair is a bargain hunter's dream, and to top it off, we found it impressively comfortable during our initial testing foray. At 24 inches wide, it provides a roomier seat than the smaller backpacking options we've reviewed. It also has a taller seat height and a more upright back, which makes getting in and out easier. The fabric of the seat itself is actually 2 layers sewn around a thin layer of foam, which truly raises the comfort level when sitting in this chair for long periods of time, adding a unique touch. The handy built-in cooler is insulated to keep your beverages or snacks chilled and can fit up to 4 8-ounce cans. You'll need to supply the ice, but in use, we found that the insulated sleeve kept beverages chilly throughout the day. A carrying bag is included, but you wouldn't want to haul this for long distances. And the steel frame can rust if left out in the rain, but for hanging in the backyard, sitting on the sidelines, or car camping, this portable chair is a solid option. Naturally, this chair folds up and packs into a convenient carrying case that is included with your purchase. Pros: holds 4 cans, high load limit, cup holder in arm, for color choices. Cons: not enough room for ice and cooler. Number 2, Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping Chairs. As one of the more traditional armchairs on this list, it makes sense why this winner was chosen as Best Folding Chair. At a reasonable price for this high-quality product, you can rest assured that your next camping experience will be more comfortable than ever, thanks to this chair's breathable polyester design. Not to mention the extra features that come with this option, such as cup holders and side organizers to hold your phone and keys. Our testers described it as a solid camp chair that would be comfy and last a while. Though the bag was a bit heavy to carry over the shoulder, our testers felt that the additional weight was worth it due to the Kijaro's stability and overall value. I'd recommend this to car campers especially, or anyone who generally needs a reliable folding chair. Our tester stated, it has lots of pockets, it's comfy and sturdy, and at this price, we'd call this chair an excellent value. Each armrest sports a mesh cup holder, and dropping from the right side of the seat is a zipping pocket organizer with 2 mesh outer pockets. Pros: no sag seat, dual locking system, 2 cup holders, convenient zipper pockets. Cons: small diameter foot pegs could sink in soft ground. Number 3, GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Rocking Chair. That's right, the outdoor gear market makes rocking camping chairs, and these sure as hell aren't what Granny Clampett used. The GCI Freestyle Rocker is a camping chair that allows you to rock back and forth by using spring action technology, which helps keep the chair from being cumbersome and bulky like traditional rockers, even with springs. This chair sports a 250-pound load capacity, good enough for most folks. The sturdy frame is built from steel tubing and is powder-coated to protect it from the elements. Each armrest features padding with a drop-down cup holder on the right side. Sorry lefties. Although it weighs 13 pounds, the chair easily folds up for transport, thanks to the rocking design. There's plenty of material to provide a secure placement on most terrain types, but I recommend avoiding the beach. The chair delivers a classic, cozy living room feel and features outdoor-ready shocks that endured our durability drop test beautifully. The sturdy steel frame supports padded armrests, a back with a breathable mesh panel, and a cup holder for added comfort. It comes with a handle for transport and folds flat. Pros: it rocks. Compact design, heavy load capacity, folds flat for easy storage and transport. Cons: not ideal for soft ground. Number 4, ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Chair. If you're worried about your camp chair blowing away, this robust ALPS Mountaineering chair is your go-to choice. The King Kong, $80, has a heavy, rigid frame, and with super sturdy, tough feet, this chair is unlikely to topple over. There are 2 hanging pockets off of each armrest, and the uppermost section on the backside of the chair back has a full-width hanging mesh pocket for miscellaneous stashes, with an adjustable fit. The angles of the arms can be tinkered with via 2 buckles, a powder-coated steel frame and 600 denier polyester fabric make the chair stout against wear and tear. When we sit in this chair, it's one of the most supportive, stiff options out there, which is great if your back is achy or for folks who prefer an upright brace. The King Kong chair back is also relatively high, and we really appreciate that extra backing when we're feeling tired. Plus the seat is deep, reinforcing our hamstrings. If you don't mind hauling a heavier set chair in and out of your rig or on a short walk to the park, this is an excellent option, especially for breezy weather. A shoulder bag with 2 backpack-style shoulder straps makes the trek easier, too. While a bit pricey, it's one of the best camping chairs you can buy. Number 5, CLIQ Collapsible Portable Camping Chairs. The CLIQ chair is a unique offering in the conventional world of folding camp chairs, a conceptually crowd-funded collapsible chair. They've forged a reputation as sweethearts of the Amazon marketplace and have since gone on to develop quite the following, garnering attention from outdoor enthusiasts and lifestyle magazines alike. Despite appearances, the CLIQ chair isn't a portable backpacking chair in line with some of the ultralight models we've tested. It is, however, the most portable and convenient barbecue, car camping, or field-side chair of all the models on our best of list this year. Convenient, comfortable, and collapsible. You really can't ask for much more than that in a camp chair. Lacking a headrest is the only thing that keeps the CLIQ chair from being an alternative to a lightweight hammock for a portable place for an afternoon nap. But short of that, I have absolutely no comfort complaints. The fabric is also conspicuously more durable than what we see from most other chairs. Ballistic nylon, which is common in other high-stress textiles like chainsaw chaps. These high-grade materials account for the dense in-hand feel of the CLIQ chair, but don't inhibit any of the portability.